Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, and this is a new mid-range phone from Xiaomi. I know that Xiaomi is also launched the Redmi Note 10 Pro in this price range, and this phone is specially made for those who want lightweight phone, and this phone is costing around 44,000 PK on Pakistan market. And also in the color I have is the boba black color. We have a 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and this phone also available in pink and blue as well. Now let's quickly unbox the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, and now let's see that this is a lightweight phone or not. Now first let me remove the plastic first from the back, and like this. And guys, and this phone also has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G chipset as well, so that's really nice as well. And the first thing, we get a 1-year warranty card with the Mi 11 Lite because this phone is officially launched in Pakistan market. And here is the device. So let me remove the plastic first from the box, and you can see again, and this is a white box, and you can see it says that 11 Lite, and it says that featherweight design, elegant and sleek as well. Now let's see that how good is this Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite in hand. It is heavy or not, but on the box it says that it is a really lightweight phone. Open this box, and on the top we get one more mini box, and you can see it says that Xiaomi. Inside of this little box we get a SIM ejection tool, and also we get a quick start guide as well as warranty card with the Mi 11 Lite, and you can see very big. And also we get a soft silicone case with the Mi 11 Lite as well, so that's a really nice value as well. On the inside we have these lines, and it is a little bit matte. And also we get this. What is this? In case it says that USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, so that's a really nice addition with the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, and you can see. And I believe that this phone does not have any headphone jack, so that's a really disappointing. Nice to see that we get this adapter right out the box. And guys, here is the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, and you can see. Now let's out the phone from this box, and again, and this is a black color. On the front we have a vibrant 10-bit OLED dot display, and also we have 90Hz refresh rate display, and this display can produce 1 billion colors. And again it says that elegant and sleek. And guys, and phone feels really light in hand. And also we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G chipset, and on the back we have a triple cameras. Main sensor on the back, it is a 64 megapixel, so that's really nice as well. And the phone feels really light in hand, and this phone is about 157 grams. So now let's out the phone from this plastic. And guys, you can see that, and this is a black color, and on the back we get a glossy finish as you can see, which I don't like of this phone. And guys, and the pink color as well as the blue color has a matte finish on the back, but you can see that the black color has a glossy finish on the back, although the back it is made up of plastic, I believe. Now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's see what else we get another than the phone. And guys, first thing we get a USB Type-C cable, and you can see, so that's really nice as well. We get a USB Type-C, and also we get a charging adapter, and this is a 33-watt fast charging. And again, we does not get any headphones with the Mi 11 Lite. So that's about it. Now let's look at the Mi 11 Lite. Again, on the front we have a 6.55-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display, and also this phone feels again really light in hand. This phone also has a 4250 mAh of battery size, so that is why this phone feels really light in hand. On the front we have a punch hole on the left hand side as compared to on the center on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. And guys, on the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, as well as the SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on the Mi 11 Lite. And guys, you can see that. And guys, and this is a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with one SIM, or you can use dual SIMs. And guys, on the left hand side we have nothing. On the top we have a noise cancellation microphone as well as IR blaster, so that's a really unique thing as well. On the left hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a side mounted fingerprint scanner, which is also work as power on a button. And you can see it is not in the frame, it is little bit outside the frame, so you can use this without any problem, very comfortable as well. And guys, on the back we have a triple cameras, and you can see in this new design language. We have 64 megapixel main camera. And guys, here is the first boot of the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, and you can see, And guys, on the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone has a 6.5-inch AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate display as well, and this is also a 10-bit OLED display, which means that the colors should be really good on this phone. And also on the bezels on this phone, it is also really small on this phone. And also on the left hand side, we get a punch hole, which is also really small on this phone as well. So first let me go to the settings and go to the about phone, all specs. And this phone, it is running on Android 11, so that's a really good thing as well. And guys, also I feel that and the haptic engine, it is also really good on this phone. And we have 128 GB of internal storage out of 112 GB almost. It is available for you guys right out the box. And this phone also has 90Hz refresh rate display, but you can see that by default it is on 60Hz. So now let's go 90Hz. And you can see we also have a NFC as well as a screen recording feature on this phone. And guys, now let's see the fingerprint scanner. And you can see, and the fingerprint scanner, it is also really quick. So now let's look at the camera. And on the back we have a triple cameras, and the main sensor on the back, it is a 64 megapixel, and also we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide as well as a 5 megapixel macro. And on the front we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera with f2.5 aperture, which is something not really good on the Redmi Note 10. Same sensor, and here is your normal, here is your ultra wide. Now let's see the video recording size with the back camera. And this phone also has ultra steady mode, and also we have, and you can see in the back camera, maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps. We also have full HD 60 fps as well. And guys, we also have a pro mode. All those things, it is available on this phone. We also have portrait mode. In the mode section we also have night mode, which is also available with the ultra wide lens as well. We also have 64 megapixel shoot. We also have a slow motion as well as dual video mode on this phone, in which you can record videos from the back as well as with the front camera at the same time. Guys, we also have long exposure feature on this phone as well as the clone. All those things, it is available on this phone, so that's really nice. And the camera application is packed with a lot of features. So now let's see the front camera. On the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera. And right now I don't like the front camera because of the f2.5 aperture. We also have portrait mode, and the front camera maximum shoot full HD at 60 fps, so that's a really good feature as well. Yes, night mode, it is also available with the front camera, and the slow motion, it is also available with the front camera as well, so that's a really good thing as well. And guys, what I have to say regarding the Mi 11 Lite, again, this phone is specially made for those who like lightweight phone, and the battery life should be good on this phone, at least 1 day on light use without any problem. And also we have a 33-watt fast charging as well. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Mi 11 Lite. This phone feels really light in hand. You can hold this phone very easily without any problem. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.